Most of you watching know how to make an edit, but do you know where to make an edit? I've been a pro editor for over 20 years, and today I'm going to show you how I decide where to cut in and out of shots. Let me come right out and give you the answer. I cut in at the beginning of an action, and I cut out at the end of an action. Thank you for watching. In all seriousness, it really is that simple, but like a lot of things, as you begin to dig in, you start to realize that even within that simple framework, the options are endless. First, we have to ask what constitutes an action. In my view, an action is anything happening in the frame. It can be as big as a giant spider monster, or as small as an eye movement. It can also be the camera movement itself. And a lot of times, there's multiple actions within the frame to choose from. Let's look at some examples from projects I've edited. You might be wondering when exactly you cut in and out. Is it the exact frame the action starts on and the exact frame it ends on? Well, it depends. Are you cutting an action scene? You might cut right on the frame the action starts, or you might even cut in a bit after the action starts for a certain effect, just like you might cut out before the action finishes to give a sense of urgency. Are you cutting a dramatic exchange between actors? Let's say the action is an actor finishing a word. You might wait a whole beat after the action ends before cutting away. The goal of this video is not to give you all the answers, rather a starting place. My challenge for you is to be more deliberate with your in and out points on each shot. On your next project, ask yourself, what is the action of the shot, and does the timing of the in and out points add to the emotion of the story? You'll begin to notice that there's a cumulative effect on the quality of your videos when you take this into account. If you got value out of this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and you might be interested in my free editing business kickstart guide that you can download at the link in the description.